Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Tuesday, June the 23rd. Well, a very strong bullish day today. A very large bodied green candle, which means that there was a lot of bullishness in this market today. Previous day was a red candle, a smaller body than today's, but a little bit larger than the previous 2 days, which meant that there was a fair bit of bearishness coming into the market. Now, interestingly, as the previous day's candle sold off, we can see that there's a bit of a shadow on the end, which meant that the buyers came in and started buying here, and they bought around the same area today. So there was a small sell-off here, and the buyers came in again, but pushed the market up much higher, past this swing high, which is a level of resistance around 140, around that region, and the market's traded up and closed up above there. Now, interestingly, we identified this zone of resistance here when the market traded up into there, tried to trade up into there again, and it's now tried to trade up into there today, and there was some sort of small price rejection down from there, and the market couldn't close up within that area. So that's a very strong area of resistance that the market tried to trade up into, and with just a very small amount of price rejection. Now, we have a new first time frame uptrend. We have a higher high and a higher low today, which means that the trend is up, and we'd expect that the uptrend will continue on its way, so the market may trade up into this zone of resistance, but we should expect selling anywhere within this large area and this other area up above if the market does trade up above there. Now, if we look at our Ichimoku indicators, we're now closed up above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, which means that the market is now has entered into a bullish mode again, which is good. When we have the crossover of price action above those, it means that there's some good bullishness in the market, and we're also trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, which means that there's a positive bias to the market as well. But that's all limited by this very strong area of resistance. Now, looking at the Tenkan-sen is flat, which means that the market is basically moving sideways, and it reflects this sideways action here. But interestingly, because of the amount of momentum that we built up in this candle, the Kijun-sen has actually turned up. Now, that could be a good sign for this market. It could mean that there might be enough impetus for the market to trade up within this region. But, as I've said, looking at bigger picture, there will probably be downside price rejection from within this very strong zone here. So we need to watch this area over the next few days.